Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys from Victoriaswig. So if you are interested in how I got this super cute, sleek, straight look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so first I'm going to give you all the details of this wig. So this is from Victoriaswig. This is their HD lace front wig. It is in 22 inches, 150% density. Cap size is medium and the hair color is a natural black. So with this particular wig, you do not need to do any kind of bleaching and no plucking. However, when it came to the plucking, I went on ahead and did a little bit more, as you can see, because I just kind of felt like the line right there of demarcation, if you've been following me for a while, I just don't like that heavy line. I may not be super good at plucking and customizing, but I know to just kind of break up that line when I see it. So anyways, you guys, this lace is freaking amazing on this wig. I so wish every company would just start doing this HD transparent lace, because it makes things so much better, and they kindly gave you an adjustable strap with this wig as well. Alright guys, so getting the lace off of here was a breeze, and here I'm just going to show you just how transparent it is. That is pretty good. If you see, I've got a little piece still hanging on right there that I'll go ahead and clean up a little bit later, but that lace is awesome. I need every single company out there to mimic, to just do this HD transparent lace, because oh my gosh, it just makes things so much better and makes everything look just so much more natural. But yeah, anyways, I put a thin layer of my Got To Be free spray on this. You don't necessarily need to do this with this wig. I just like to do it because I just need my wig secure no matter what. So I'm just gonna do a sleek middle part with this. You guys, please ignore my wig cap that is just sticking out like a freaking sore thumb. I didn't know it was this bad until I started editing it. And this is typically the wig cap I wear all the time. I just think I like accidentally slid it back or something. I don't even know, you guys, but just act like you don't even see it. So yeah, anyways, just doing a middle part, you guys. Put a little bit of styling foam, of setting lotion on the part there to try and slick it down. And the thing about this wig that I noticed while I was straightening it straightened very easily. I don't have any issues with flat ironing it or straightening it. It straightened like a dream. But this wig was a little bit more dense in the front versus the back. Typically when it comes to wigs, I don't really care if it's body wave, straight hair, whatever you want to call it. The back is a little bit more fuller. The back is fuller than the front, but that was the opposite with this wig. So yeah, I don't know how I felt about it. I didn't really feel any kind of way. I just want to put that out there and point it out. I feel like if you went on ahead and laid this wig, like if I would have done it on the mannequin and really straightened it on the mannequin, it would have been fine, but I opted not to do it that way for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, you guys, so I just want to point that out to you. Here, if you notice, I put a little bit of powder on the on like my edges, just where the lace was, just to kind of blend it all in a little bit more seamlessly. And now I'm just gonna do some little hairs. I don't even want to call it little hairs. I went on ahead and did a lot of swoopty swoops and curly curls with this straight hair, but it ended up working really well in my favor. I loved how it turned out. I really liked the hairline on this wig as well. It was very, very natural. I just think they did a really good job on the details, like with the lace, the baby hair, like the amount and the thickness of the baby hair, like all that was just, this part was just very, very easy for me to kind of customize to my liking. So a great job on that. So yeah, so after I finish getting this all together, I'm just going to use my black wrap strips that I use all the time to lay the front down to make it all nice and seamless and the flawless to the best of my ability. And then we're gonna go ahead and flat iron this hair nice and straight. which by the way was pretty soft, very dense. For it to be 150% density, I was surprised that it was thick because it is straight hair. So yeah, those definitely 2 pluses. All right, so here I am, not looking like Shrek anymore. I didn't put some makeup on, little lashes, little lip gloss, got myself together. And I'm just going to use my Baby Bliss flat iron. I think I used it on like 375 or 400, one of those, to straighten this hair. It straightens so freaking fast, you guys. I had no problem straightening it. It really didn't need all the passes that I was giving it, but I was going for a very middle part sleek look. You guys know, if you've been following me, that's pretty much my favorite look, is a middle part, you know, straight middle part. But yeah, you guys, look how flawless, like not necessarily flawless, but look how easy, because I'm not the best with baby hair and all that kind of stuff. And, you know, I don't want to seem like I'm bigger than what I am, but look how easily, like, you can't even see the lace on this wig. You can see my wig cap, but remember, we gonna act like we don't see it. But that lace is hidden. Oh my goodness, you guys just don't even know. Like, no bleaching, no extra work, no real work with this wig. This wig was so easy to just style, to put on, to throw on. I definitely see myself wearing it more often than not, to be completely honest with you guys. I am gonna try and see how it is whenever I do this style again, like a sleek look again, doing it all on a mannequin like I typically do, and see if that helps the front a bit. So yeah, here I'm just lifting up that those baby hairs. I learned this trick, I think from Ivy does this, and I can't remember who else I saw, but you know, the baby's hairs though, they don't have to be glued to your head, and I learned that kind of lifting them up gives it a even more natural effect. So that's what I'm doing. Anyways, using my wax stick just to kind of finish everything off, you guys. This wax stick has become my best wig friend ever. And then next, I'm just gonna use some concealer and then powder to define that part a little bit, because it really needs some defining. It actually could use some plucking right there. And if you notice here, you see that thickness in the hair, which is not a bad thing. I'm not necessarily saying it's a bad thing. It's just something that I'm really not used to. So I try my best to add some powder and all that good stuff in it to define it a little bit more, but it really just needs to be plucked, and I think it'll be good. But to kind of conceal that line, like where my wig cap is, I'm just adding some black eyeshadow with my with a brush, you know, and just kind of hoping that works. And it worked a little bit. I think I could have went a little bit darker, but it did exactly what I needed it to do. So I did add in a little clip coming up of just a video anyways, just a clip of a video that I thought I was gonna do, but I'm really not. But I just wanted to show you guys how quick I wore this wig to just run some errands. If you notice, I just put this on my head, and the front seemed pretty decent, and I didn't even really brush it, you guys. I just popped it on, threw my hat on, and you know, threw some joggers on, a t-shirt, and I was out and about. Love the length on this as well. That's something I didn't talk about, but love the length. The hair is really, really nice, super soft. That is a given. I hope you guys got that, but that is definitely a given. And yeah, good job, Victoria's hair wig. I was pleasantly surprised. If you guys have any questions, comments, all that good stuff, put them down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.